Hi everyone, Jules here with ZUGO Bike. By now you must be extremely excited because you just received your controller back with the new software upgrades. So to get started, we are going to connect all of these cables back to exactly where they belong. Let's get started. So let's start with the easy ones. We're first going to start with this yellow connector. Make sure you see this open keyhole and connect it to that keyhole right there. Slide it in. You should not be forcing any of these in. Let's do the green to the green, yellow to the yellow, blue to the blue. Make sure those are nice and snug. Now we're going to take the long black wire harness and make sure that this keyhole lines up to that one right there. So let's slide that in. Another way in determining if you're doing this correct is looking for the Juliet, and then the arrows that match up as well. So that ensures you're lining it up properly. These two match up together. See all these beautiful colors? All these colors line up to those colors. You're going to feel a click when you push that in. Now this one is very important. This red one attaches to where this yellow connector is. So these two go together. It's very important to get these ones correct because this black one is able to attach to these two, but that's not what we're going to be using. This one attaches to the red only. Let's find that orange one. Again, we're going to line up the Juliets and line up the arrows together to ensure that you're putting it in correctly. And you don't want to bend the pins. You got to be very careful. You should not be forcing anything in, and it just pop in. Okay, these two you are not able to mess up. It does not matter which one you connect these ones to with this cord. So just pick whichever one you want, and there is one left over. And this is your headlight. So now you have all the cables. Make sure you get them all nice and organized. Line your controller back up with the tape, and this gives you a lot of room to tuck in those cables. So when you tuck in those cables, that's how you want it to look when you put the seat on. Okay. Now that we have the controller all connected, let's turn on our Rhino to make sure that everything is running properly. So first you need to put in your battery, turn on the power button, tilt your Rhino back so it's leaning on the kickstand, and it's engaging. So now pull out your battery, stick on that front seat. The easiest way to do the front seat is you see this front screw, put that right in here. Pop it on, get your nuts, screw them in, and you're good to go. Thank you guys very much. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial of how to put your controller back in your Rhino, and enjoy your ride.